this journey. What are we saying? Making excuses, no. Tell all the people we know we're getting ready to go. It's time. Life is passing by. Any, mini, money, mo. Pick a place and there we'll go. Work this jungle like a pro and learn to laugh.
Hey, Gingerbread and Jelly Bean. Good afternoon. I'm heading to school right now. But let's see how best I can multitask. Talking to you guys, pulling out. So I have a little issue, and it's my teeth right here, down there, right down there. The enamel, that's the enamel. And when you brush your teeth like really hard, like how Jamaicans brush their teeth, it tends to wear away. So because I brush my teeth so hard some of the time, the toothbrush hit the gum and tear away at the enamel, right? So what it does is basically tear away the enamel, and the enamel cannot grow back. So at this point in my young life, my young days, I will have no teeth very soon. So yes, my teeth, they're dying, I guess. Can I say that? My teeth are falling out. Dying teeth, falling out. Yeah, falling out, not dying, because teeth don't have life. But yeah, so bear with me. So that's my, I'm a bit concerned about that, because I really love my teeth, you know, and I don't want my teeth to fall out at this young stage in my life. But yeah, today is a really nice day. I have tennis to play later and stuff like that. I just want to do a little update on about the channel. It's growing bit by bit. My target for each month being a new vlog and stuff, and I put out at least 3 videos per week. My aim is to get at least 1,000 plus view per month, you know, until I turn into, you know, one of those superstar vloggers, and I can get, you know, 1,000 view per day. So yeah, I'm just wondering how or what I can do to ensure that pick up more views at the end of the day. So I'm going to work on that, ensure that, you know, I put up more stuff. But what I would like to ask is, what can I do, or what would you like me to do to entertain you guys more? You know, because I'm already myself, I'll be myself, you know. Probably I need more friends in the vlog, more interaction, that kind of stuff, to basically enhance the vlog. So if that is the case, let me know, and I see how best I can work on it. It can improve the vlog. But I know it's not perfect, you know, and each person or each vlog out there, you know, start from somewhere until they get to a certain point. Don't think that I'm pressuring myself. I just like to ask for people's opinion, and you are the viewers, and I make the vlogs for you guys to entertain you and make you laugh. So I would like to know, you know, what, you know, you'd like me to do to enhance your enjoyment of my vlogs. But, you know, hopefully you guys reply. I know most of you would reply. I know Erica would reply. Shameless will reply. A lot more you will reply, because you guys are very interactive on my vlog. So I really appreciate that as well. Oh yeah, check out the haircut, the lineup. Sweet again, but yeah, it's going alright. So I'm going to school right now, so I'll catch you guys later. Alright, Gingerbread and Jelly Bean, I'm here. And remember the coconut mission that I went on? I'm going back on another one. Yes, one of them DJ call it another one. So we see a bunch of coconut and we're going to pick it. So the guy at tennis, he's Jamaican as well, polar guy. He has an 8-foot ladder. I'm only 5'6", so you know jelly tree them tall. So I can actually reach it. So I'm gonna go for him ladder on the cutlass right now. And I'm going to go up there and chop down those babies. Yeah! So we're going to split it up, strip the coconut and everything. You know, sharing the skin, there's a lot of coconut. So we're going to strip off the tree. And we're going to get those coconut and we're going to cut them and drink the jelly water. Yeah! So yeah, coconut mission at tennis. Nice day after all. Later!
You see when you get, let me show you, a bunch of